Hi everybody, and happy Memorial Day weekend. I'm going to throw out a cicada eating Facebook challenge. The challenge, we have a 2-week gap about right now where the cicadas come out from their 17-year underground living. They come onto trees, they shed their skin, they lay eggs in trees, and they go back in the ground for another 17 years. So you have about 2 weeks to step up to the challenge of eating a cicada in the manner of your choice. We've got some cicadas that Addie has collected outside.
Let's see what they look like. Here we go.
Here. I'm gonna go ahead and fry them up.
Whoop. It's popping.
We've got them cooked.
Let's see on here. And there they are. Let's take a look at your taco here. That is a cicada taco.
All right. Here we go. It's pretty good. Tastes like fried meat. A little crunchy. Kind of see what they taste like themselves. Might have overcooked them a little bit. They don't really taste like much of anything. There you go. Now the challenge is on you. Who's going to accept the challenge to eat a cicada?
And how are you going to eat it?
And I'm going to nominate everybody on Facebook, but specifically Walt Eck. The challenge is on you, bud. Thank you very much. Share the video if you'd like.